We're like diamonds in the sky. At first sight, I felt the energy of summer. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the light, so shine bright tonight. You and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky.
It is truly my honor to present Kevin Cordova with the 2000
Mexico to Colorado. I was like, oh, there's another Mexican in here? That's awesome. Wow, I don't know what to say. My family couldn't do it without their support.
He loves golf, fish, driving the Commander up the mesa, and greatly enjoys beating his little brother Austin in epic battles of Madden. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2018 Rookie of the Year, Mr. Tyler Harris of Bray Real
I didn't have a speech prepared, but I wanted to thank my wife, Alex. Without her, this wouldn't be possible. So thank you. I love you. I love this association. I love coming to work every day. Specifically, I love my people at Bray. They're like my second family. Robert, Fran, Lynn, thank you for taking me in. I love you guys. My hallway, Kevin, Rick, who's not here, Scott, Ron, Corey, Merritt, Amanda, thank you guys.
Sherry Griego, please raise your right hand. Sherry Griego, do you accept these duties and responsibilities? I take abundant pleasure in declaring you the chairman for the year 2018-19, and now by the power vested in me, I proclaim you duly and legally installed as president of the Grand Junction Area Realtor Association.
I'm going to tell you this. Most people say if you want something done, do it yourself. I say if you want something done, tell Sherry. A true leader, an Adam Levine fan, and my friend, Miss Sherry Griego, Realtor of
At the time I moved back, I had $200 and a 4-year-old. I wasn't quite sure what I was doing. In July of 2005, I was licensed and working hand in hand with Jose. Thank you for taking a chance on me. You and your crew are my peeps. Forever. You can't shake me, I'm cold, so yeah. $200 and a 4-year-old was able to pay cash for her son's college tuition because of this. Bar just seems fitting. So I'm going to ask everyone in this room to raise the bar. And with that, raise your glasses. I didn't have a glass, guys.